up? What's up? What's up? You already know. This is Peach and Daddy. Today we're going into Home Depot. We just dropped the kids off to my mom's house so we could get a door for Dad's mom. Daddy mama need a new front door. My cousin is going to fix it. He already went over there. He said he's gonna come back Saturday and put the new door on. We didn't have the new door already because we didn't know what was quite necessary. So, babe, you need to get one of these things. So we came to do that. One of these instead of a regular buggy. What? Okay. He already make adjustments to the door, and then he looked at the dry wood. What is it called, babe? The plywood. It was not dry wood. He said that the wood had went rotten, so we have to buy. Oh, you need me to get the paper out the car? You remember? Want me to get the paper? Unlock the door. He gave me a list of things that we're gonna need. He said we need 2x4 times 8. We need 2 of those. We need a right in-swing door, 36 inches, an exterior door. They wrote like a lot of stuff down because they know like I don't understand. Daddy probably understands better, but just in case. Now we just have to find the actual door section. All right, Peach Patch. Here are the doors. We're not spending a lot of money on a door. We're looking for something economically priced. That door cute. You should like that kind of door. It's $366. He said we gotta make sure it had a frame. That one $349.99. Oh, I didn't even see this person. You see something you like for her, babe? I like this door. This is cute. I don't know if she would like it.
What is that?
This one $349. Oh, the door behind it. That's $277. They got the little pickable up top. These are $355, $309. They're like a back door. They don't look like no front door. $249. She got something like this, right?
Yeah.
All right, so this is the same.
Yeah,
the same door that she got. She got the one that's $197. What's the difference between the one that's $197 and the one that's $249? Because they look the same. That one say $249.
This say 36. It's about...
No, it's 32 by 80. 32 by 80. This one 36 by 80. The one that's 36 by 80 is $249. I'll send him a picture. They also got these plain looking front doors. It's nothing but like a regular door. They're $226. They don't have the little design on them. I seen online it had some doors for like $135 too, but I'm not seeing any. Here goes some for $175. $175, like regular little doors. This is what our door at home look like at our house. They just got it painted red. Do we have a peephole in our door? These $166. Like this is real basic kind of door. For $119. This is $119. But we need the 36. I don't think the 32. Let me this one is this 36 by 80. And this one is $166. But I know we don't want anything like that. That's too plain. What you thinking, babe? Peach Patch. So Daddy wants to get his mom the same door that she has right now. It's $249. We have to get one that says right hand in swing. This is a left hand, so we have to look for a right. This a right, but it's a 32. Right out swing. Right hand out swing, but we need a right in swing. Let's get somebody to help us. Peach Patch, we found one. This is a 36 by 80 right hand in swing. It is $277. This is one that I like. I like this one. I like that it got the little peep up top. the one that she currently has is $2 something anyways. It's only about $20 more than the one she already has. And huh? What? It's like a little thing right here.
No, over here.
What do you mean? You can't move it?
It's something behind here.
I don't see nothing behind you.
I'm feeling it.
Is that the door frame?
No, move it right. Hold it.
Oh, the other door. And then we got to get her new locks. My cousin said that we might as well. He was like, since you're going to change the door, you might as well. I want to get black fixtures, like some nice black fixtures. We're going to look at the prices and then we'll decide if we're going to do the regular black or if we're going to do the regular silver. But I think black would look good on this door. I like this. It's cute. You like it, babe? You think she's going to like it? And we're surprising her with a new door. She didn't ask. Okay, Daddy want me to hold this in place for him. We took a picture and sent it to my cousin. He said that this is not the right door, but he so happened to be at the Walmart next door, so he's gonna walk over here and help us get the right door. Peach Patch, while we waiting on my cousin to come over here, we're going to look at locks. Daddy's mom has the standard locks, but I want black. I think black looks really cute. Look at this, babe. I like the black square ones, but will it have to be round? The locks are only $20, $14.97, $20.97. Then what's the top? Oh, like a set like this. That's $27. They $42. I think they cute though.
Well, this got two, because we got two on. I mean, they got two on.
We could get the cheap one. We could get the $27.97. It got two. Pardon me. I just like the black. I think the black looks really nice. But Daddy is very cheap, just like me. He's more cheap. Like, I find reasons to shop, spend money on something like that. I'm not gonna lie. But Daddy's like, no. This is my favorite style. The square style, it looks so sophisticated and classy, but it's expensive. It's $52.97. That's the style I like. This is what I really want. But how would you put it on that kind of door? This is $139. That's so cute. Daddy like, All right, Peach Patch. Daddy said the only lock we're gonna need is something like this, a deadbolt and a key entry. So he said to just get something like this. They don't have it in black, but the silver don't look bad. They're $19.97. I don't know. This one is like double. We don't need that many, Daddy say. Hurry up. We need to hurry up and buy a house because I can't wait to do like these little tiny extra things for my own house. Like, I'm gonna have black on my door. Patch, we're looking at the economically priced doors, but up here doors can get super expensive. That one is $450. This one is $1,369. So they can get very pricey. Even over here, look at this door. This door is $1,309. And I don't know what's the difference between the two because this one is $19.79. That's the price of a little hoopty. Dang. Patch, I am so exhausted. Like, I'm just sitting here waiting on my cousin to come, and I'm just like, oh my God, I'm so freaking tired. I'm ready to go home and go to sleep. But I told the kids we were gonna come right back after we got the door and take them to Target so we could pick out their book bags, a couple more outfits, and get all of the rest of their school supplies. We're talking their pencils, pens, all of that stuff. So we'll be done and out the way. This is my first time ever getting ready for back to school early. I normally do it 1 to 2 days before school starts because I thrive under pressure like chaos. But with this baby coming any day now, I just want to have it out the way, be fully prepared, get these kids on a bedtime schedule before baby comes, because right now they're on a summer schedule. They stay up all night. I seen a Facebook post. They say, y'all need to get these kids on the back to school schedule. They stand up to 4 in the morning like they still dope. I thought that was hilarious.
That's the one?
Yeah, because see,
machine like that.
Okay.
And they got everything, you know what I mean? She said, I got
Peach Patch. So now we're about to get plywood. Daddy already said plywood is expensive. This is my cousin and her husband. They're gonna show us what plywood to get. So if you're in Tampa and you're looking for a carpenter, this is your guy. This man is so talented. When I used to have my warehouse, he built a door in my warehouse in like 20 minutes, super fast. All right, so this is all we need. Nothing else. All right, so we got the door, the 2 pieces of plywood, and the locks. Now we're gonna head to the checkout counter. Okay, so my cousins are leaving.
Somebody to flag it for you.
Peach Patch. So our total ended up being $334.02. All right, Peach Patch, we are all done. Daddy is about to try to load this in our van. Why ain't just asked my cousin to put this in their van, because they have a big old van that could have fit this. Peach Patch. So the reason we left all the kids at my mom's house was so that we could fit this in the van. But we had, well, I completely forgot. Daddy did not completely forgot that we had went shopping. Peach Patch, I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, you know what to do. You know what to do. Go ahead and hit her like you like. Hey, hit her like you like. Hit her like you like. For your girl. Ooh, your girl mama's tired. Thanks for watching. Bye. Like you like. Hit her like you like. Hit her like you like. For your girl. You like my pictures. Hit her like you like. You like my videos. Hit her like you like. You ain't no hater. Like you like, you getting paper, hit her like you like, go like, let's go, like to the 4, 1 like, 2 like, 3 like, 4, hit her like you like, soon as you see my videos, you know your girl funny, yeah, you know your girl dope, if you really like me, why wouldn't you hit it, yo, L to the I-K-E-Y, bae, hit her like you like, and send that love my way, L to the I-K-E-Y, bae, hit her like you like, and send that love my way, like, let's go, follow, hit her like, hit her like you like, for your girl go, slide with a like, rock with a like, to the left, to the right, go like, Australia better like, US better like, UK hit her like, hit her like you like, hit her like, for your girl, take it back to the like, from the left to the right, go like, Scotland better like, hit her like, go left to the right, go like, Africa go like, worldwide go like, I hope y'all like this sound. Yeah, that's right, hit her like you like, for your girl, thanks for juking, bye.